Good afternoon, ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, young and old and new. Long or not, still looks good. I just had hot dog this morning and still get a hang of it. Whose dirty mind work? Welcome to a live broadcast of USLS Kirby on Air. This story is about the life of a man named Kevin and how fame blinded him. He's a man worthy of praise when it comes to his masterpieces. He's a famous songwriter in their little, tiny, small, cute village. But ever since he got famous, he changed. Until the day that he regretted the most came. And now, the most awaited fame. Just the way you are. Hey, Kevin. Hey, Hey, brother. Stop singing and help us out here. These boxes are heavy. Hey, son. We need help.
No way. Hands are gonna grab it. I do. I still have lots of songs to write, you know.
Son, how can you make your younger sister carry these heavy boxes when, in the fact, this is all yours?
You know what, Dad? She can actually carry those boxes. She just keep on complaining. Do not mind her. She's just a little bitch who needed attention for us.
What did you say? You were never a good brother to me ever since you got famous here. You really changed. How mean.
Stop being loud, sis. You are just jealous.
See, what you did? That was too much. Grow up, son.
What a noises.
Hey, Kayla, where are you going?
Kathy, is that you? Oh,
Is there any other Cathy around here?
oh, Kathy, I'm so sad.
Yeah, it's abuse. You wouldn't
Run.
Yan na. Ikaw na lang.
You wouldn't run out here barefooted if you're happy.
Oh, I don't have sleepers. How can I run?
Are you still normal?
Huh?
Never mind. By the way, why are you crying?
Brother's so mean. I miss the old him.
Oh, that big-headed Kevin. He's afraid. You know what? Just go back home and don't mind him. He just lack attention.
I don't think so. He really forgot who he really was.
That's enough. Go home and Uncle Jack might get worried.
Okay then. Thanks, Kathy. You're really a friend.
Always at your service.
Kyla didn't went home directly. She walked around the street still barefooted and staring blankly into space. Tears continued to invade her cheeks and her eyes were starting to get swollen. Kevin and her got a very strong bond before. They play, laugh, and sing together. Kevin even sacrificed his left hand just to protect Kyla from falling. His left hand has a fractured bone, but now it's too far from the past. He changed.
Ay na lang, kung masito ko, ano lang.
Dali, 10 minutes, ay 5 minutes bakit makalampas dito 5 minutes. Ilang kadali.
Elat lang, iingat sa ko, kung gano'n sa kampundo ka.
Pindi ko tayo, wala mo kasi kukul ka nang nagbasa pa ka.
Ay, di lang mo din. Hey, look over there. Isn't that Kevin's sister?
Hell yes, so what? She just like her brother, third-mannered, big-headed.
That's an amazing fact, bro.
Sana?
That's not true. You're absolutely wrong. My brother's not ill-mannered or big-headed. He's just too proud. Fame blinded him. It's not his fault. It's mine. As a sister, I should have helped him stay as who he was. I know him better more than anybody else had.
Well, we don't care. He's just a songwriter who doesn't know how to be humble. A songwriter who is mean. He is not a Kevin. He is a monster.
He's not. You are the monster. You look like On.
How dare you, little mice?
Ikaw, Huy. Ito.
Oh no!
What did you do, bro?
I didn't do this. I'm drunk. She's too loud, and I hate it.
You did it, bro. I'm not involved in here. I'm innocent.
Fool! You threw the chairs on her too. You know that? So how can you be innocent, moron?
I did it because you did it.
I saw everything, and I'm gonna report this. Henry, where are you hiding?
That doesn't matter. I just saw and heard everything.
Please don't tell anybody, Henry.
I'm sorry. You did wrong, and justice shall prevail.
Go.
I thought.
Go.
Oh man, we're done. We're really screwed.
The two couldn't do anything at that moment. Henry is one of the well-respected officers in the village, and they just can't run away and hide. Henry can track them wherever they go. And after the police arrived, Kyla was brought to the hospital.
Toot, toot, toot. Doc, how's my daughter?
She's fine now. She almost died because of the hit in her head. But she fought. She was calling her brother's name during the operation. I guess you were the one who motivated her to continue breathing.
She did?
Yes, Kevin. I'll take my leave now. I got a lot of patients to attend to. Please excuse me.
Hey sis, when are you gonna wake up? I'm here waiting for you. Please wake up. I cannot live without you, sister. Won't I share my daughters with, and he's happened to you because of me. You defend me. Henry told me everything. I still need to apologize to you face to face. So please, wake up now. I miss you, you know.
Don't worry, son. She will wake up soon, and I know she'll forgive you. Palakpak sa mundo.
Uy, palakpak, palakpak na palakpak. Uy, palakpak na.
Sige, wala lang.
One.
Hey guys, let's introduce our cast. Announcer, Shalom C, Kevin, Arcadio, John Ayan, Kayla, as usual, Shalom C and Kathy, Aiden Arcala. And the next but not the least is Anna. Kevin's mother is Delagit. Drunk one, Emmanuel Landasan, and drunk two, Jarel Sunggaling. Henry and the Dr. Annabel Laraga. Script by Ana Marie Delaget. So, thank you guys for listening our radio drama acting. Hope you like it.